Once you have multiple papers, you may want to extract relevant data or information from them. Or sometimes you may also want to see how certain themes have been discussed across multiple papers. Now, you can, of course, do it the traditional way. You can take notes by hand or you can take notes on your computer. But in Chat Academia, you can extract relevant information and data from multiple papers using AI. Here's how to do it. So you go to the left taskbar and scroll down to extract data. And in here, you will see the data extraction agent. Now here you can upload papers. Click on upload your PDF papers and then select the relevant papers you want to upload. So I'm going to upload these 4 papers. Once the papers are uploaded, you can add the kind of columns or the kind of data that you want to extract from these papers. So let's say I want to extract the data about objectives of these papers. So I can write in here the title of the column, and then I can write a prompt telling Chat Academia about the kind of data that it should extract from the paper. So I can say, describe the objectives of this paper. And then I can add another column. So if I click on add column, I can add another column here. Let's say I want to add a column for non-Western literature, and I want to give this a description that describe how this paper discusses non-Western literature. And you can add multiple columns. And once you're done adding columns, you can select the model you want to use. Let's go with Pro. Now, what Chat Academia will do is it will analyze and understand the text of these papers, and then it will give me the relevant data in the form of this table. So as we can see here, Chat Academia understood and analyzed the texts of these papers, and then it has given us the required data in the form of these columns. So we have all the objectives of all the papers here, and then we also have a description of how a given paper discusses non-Western literature. Now you can also add multiple columns, after creating this table. You click here and add a new column. And if you're not happy with the column or if you don't need a column, you can also delete columns. So you can go to columns and then you can unselect this and this will be removed. So in this way, Chat Academia helps you extract data from multiple papers in a very short amount of time.